Hello and welcome to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I will walk you through the essential steps to use Slack effectively for seamless team communication and productivity. Head to slack.com to sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. Enter your email and follow the prompts to set up your workspace. Once inside your workspace, let's explore the interface. On the left sidebar, you will find your channels, direct message, and apps. Channels are for group discussions and direct message are for private conversations. Explore and join existing channels based on your interest or responsibilities. Start a new channel by clicking the plus next to channels. Type and send message in channels or direct message. To send message, click on the desired channel or user from the left sidebar. Type your message in the input field at the bottom and press enter to send. You can format text, mention users using @ and even add emojis. Sharing files is easy. Click the paperclip icon in the message field. Choose the file from your computer and hit upload. Slack supports various file types, making collaboration seamless. Additionally, explore integration to connect other apps for better productivity. Slack notifies you of new message with a red dot or by highlighting channel names. Customize your notification preference by clicking your workspace name, then Preference. Here you can adjust notification settings, change your status, set reminders, and more. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.